Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Hamza Tech. So guys, in this video we basically talk about the wireless drivers for Windows 7 downloads and install easily. So guys, first of all is choose the way you prefer. You do not have to try both methods to get your Wi-Fi drivers update. Just browser now draw the list and take your pick. Update your wireless driver manually and update your wireless driver automatically. So first method is update your wireless driver manually. Warning: download the wrong driver or installing it incorrectly can compromise your PC stability and even causes the whole system to crash. So please do not proceed at your own peril. If you are not comfortable playing around with drivers or worrying about any risk in the process, jump to method 2. So here we jump method 2. So here, in case you cannot access the internet on the computer in question at the moment, you might first have to download the drivers on a computer with our cable network connections and then transfer the file to the computer in question to install. So here is question 1 is on the keyboard of the Turkey computer. Press the Windows logo key and R at the same time. Then copy and paste into the inbox and click OK. So second is the locate and double click on network adapter to receive the brand and model of your Wi-Fi adapter. Enter R wireless AC9560 in my case. So here is the 3 is on the computer with internet. Go to brand, manufacturers, officials websites and check out the support section for drivers download. Search of the model of your wireless adapter. Click the right download click for your Windows 7 OS. Usually a few download options will be listed, but you might want to click the first result for the latest drivers versions. So 5 is move the downloaded file to the computer without the internet. On the computer without internet, run the download file, mostly either an exe file or info file, and follow on screen instruction to finish the install. So 7 is restart your computer for the change to take effect. Method 2 is updating your wireless driver automatically. Recommended if you do not have the time, patience or computer skills to update the driver for your wireless adapter manually. You can do it automatically with driver like easy. Driver Easy will automatically recognize your system and find the correct drivers for it. You do not need to know exactly what brand and model of network adapter your computer is using, and you do not need to risk downloading and installing the wrong driver, and you do not need to worry about making a mistake when installing. In case you cannot access the internet on the computer in question at the moment, you might have to connect your computer to a wired internet network for a quick, smooth driver update. So you can update your driver automatically with either the free and the pro versions of Driver Easy, but with the pro versions it just takes 2 clicks. First of all, download and install Driver Easy. Second is run Driver Easy and click scan now. Driver Easy will and then scan your computer and detect any problem device. You can upgrade the pro versions and click update or automatically download and install the correct versions of all the drivers that are missing or out of date on your system. So here is you can click update, do it for the free if you like, but it's partially manual. If you have any problem while using Driver Easy, feel free to contact our support team at support@drivereasy.com. Be sure to attach the URL of this article if needed for more expedient and efficiency guideline. There are 2 easy ways to get the latest driver for your wireless adapter. Hope this helped, and feel free to drop drop us comments if you have a question. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then must subscribe my YouTube channel and share this information with your friends and family and many other people.